Let's make Ghana zongo stew or waakye stew. This, oh my goodness, was so delicious. It was so nice. Okay, you can actually pair it with your white rice as well, with your kenke, bangkun, yam, anything. It was so nice and very flavorful. If today is the first time here, hello, my name is Lena and welcome to my kitchen. So, for us to start, I have my onions here, and grandma is just going to help us to peel the skin, and then we are good to go. So I will just finish everything behind camera. I mean, grandma will finish everything behind camera together with the garlic, ginger, and then we will blend everything and I will get back to you. But before that, I have my oil on fire. Okay, so I'm just going to add the onions, garlic, pepper, ginger, and then my natural herbs and spice blend. So you can use any spice of your choice and you are good to go. Okay, rosemary, basil, yeah, you can use those and then you are good to go. Give it a stir, and at this moment, oh my goodness, my neighbors, they are suffering. The place smells so good, very flavorful. Give it a stir, wait for it to fry very well before we proceed. So after waiting for some time, this is how it looks, and it has fried very well. So I'm just going to introduce the next ingredients and then we are good to go. Now, after it has been on fire for some few minutes, I am just going to introduce my tomato paste. So should you want to prepare your stew without the tomato paste, you can go ahead and then do so. I'll be adding the tomato paste to it bit by bit till I am done adding everything, and then I have to make sure I fry the tomato paste very well, just like how we did to the onions, ginger, garlic, and the other ingredients. Okay, so after I give it a stir, I will add the next one till I am done adding everything, and then allow it to be on fire for some time. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes, and please do well to follow us for more videos. It is absolutely free everywhere. Okay, if you watch the videos, it is absolutely free. Now, as you can see, it looks so good, and I'm just going to wait for a while to fry very well and I will get back to you. So this is how it looks, and it looks so good. Okay, give it a stir, allow it to fry, and then we are good to go. At this moment, I have my fresh tomatoes ready, but I am using tomato sauce. Okay, it's just fresh tomatoes that is being blended. I'll go ahead and then add it to it. Just look at that, and then give it a stir, and we will proceed. Okay, we are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. I'll be very happy to see you on the other platforms, so follow us for more videos. Don't take money, it is absolutely free. Okay, let's be friends there. Yeah, thank you so much. Now fry this very well so you it becomes perfect, and then we will add the next ingredient. Just look at that. At this moment, it smells very well. So we are going to leave that on fire and then attend to our puddings. Now I have with me here my good beef, and I have just added all the ingredients we used earlier. I mean the pepper, ginger, garlic, the herbs, yeah, my salt, my seasoning, everything is there. Use any seasoning of your choice, salt, and then you are good to go. So I'm just going to allow this to be on fire and then make sure it is well cooked. You have to cook it very well, especially if you are using the type of goat I'm using. This is the male goat, so it is very hard. make sure you cook it very well. I have with me here my eggs. I'll boil all those eggs, and now the eggs are ready. Do not forget to add some salt to it so that it will be very easy to peel the shells. Our proteins are doing absolutely good. Okay, yes, it is almost ready but not ready. As I told you earlier, it is very hard and we need to cook it very well. So we have some more or cow skin as well there, or willy. Okay, I realized that some are still very hard. I did not know that tribes are very hard. Okay, so it was some time ago that I realized that you have to cook tripe very, very well. When you look at it like that, you may think you don't need extra time for it, but you have to cook it very well. Okay, as for the flies, you may see some because I'm outside, but to allow them to be on the food, it will never happen. Yes, I am very careful with it. Now the meats are ready. I've added some to the stew. We fried some, and I will add that as well to it. I've added my eggs as well. Give it a stir, and just look at that. Oh my goodness. At this moment, this for salt. If you need to add some, you can go ahead and do so. Okay, but my salt is on point. Everything is on point, and I am not going to add anything to it. I don't need any seasoning, like artificial seasoning for this, because I'm just going to add my the authentic seasoning to it. So just stay, I will share with you, and trust me, you will love it. Okay, let's allow it to be on fire for some time, and I'll get back to you. So for the seasoning that I am going to use is my shrimp powder. If you add a shrimp powder to it, you don't need any seasoning. Okay, it adds taste, and then some flavor to your stew or anything that you prepare. I added fish powder as well. Give it a stir. Add your curry powder, and then give it a stir. Allow it to be on fire for some time. My sweetheart, I did not know the stew would be plenty like this, so I had to pour it in another pan. We've used about 3 or 4 pans already. Oh my goodness. I didn't know I'm going to get a lot of stew like this. That is just by the way. So I'll pour it again and then allow it to cook very well, because we just added the shrimp and then the fish powder to it, and it is not ready. So ladies and gentlemen, mommies, daddy, uncles, aunties, we poured it here and allow it to cook very well, and our stew is ready. Thank you so much for watching. So I come your way next time. Try this and let me know how you enjoy it, because I know you will surely enjoy it. Okay, see, you can't afford to miss the next upload. Oh my goodness, you will love it. So if you have not put the bell on, the bell icon when you subscribe, you're supposed to put it on. Okay, the notification on. If you've not done that, please do so for me. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.